seat belt. Tight, secure, no cracks. Working. Fire extinguisher, tight, secure, full, and up to date. Reflective triangles, no damage and clean. Fuse box. It's full. Windshield, tight, secure, no cracks, no illegal stickers, and clean. Mirrors, tight, secure, no cracks, no illegal stickers, adjusted and clean. Safe start. Valves out position. Gear shifter is neutral. ABS and DPF are working. Oil pressure between 20 and 60 in 5 seconds. Fuel gauge, DEF gauge, half to full. RPM working. Water temperature no more than 180. Air pressure 120, 140. High beam is working. Left signal is working. Right signal is working. Emergency lights are working. Wipers working. Wiper wash is working. City horn working. Highway horn is working. Heater and defrost. It's working.